human rights activist and lawyer Ayo Okpadokun welcomed the ruling as a divine judgment to impose effective sanction on the accused persons, as they've been both convicted by a court of law, regardless of whatever action they may take up next. On her part, the president of the Campaign for Democracy, Joe Okeodumakin, says the judgment is a vindication of the judicial process, which strongly affirms the fact that the judiciary is the last hope of the common man, and that this will serve as a lesson to everyone, no matter how highly placed they may be in society.
I believe this trial is a landmark. It came late. It was overdue, so that Nigerian judiciary can sustain its reputation as the last hope of the ordinary man. Because I believe that this also is a deterrence for other occupiers of high public office. I hope they will not be under any doubt any longer that the day of reckoning like this will always come ultimately. So for those of them who are there today, it's a food for thought. If you ever imagine that to be there for something can snap and you can be brought to book, as Mustafa and Shifola had been brought to book. This is the day of their own reckoning.
I really think it's a vindication of the judicial process. The mill of justice may ground slowly, but it eventually rules in terms of getting justice. The judiciary is the final hope of the common man. And no matter how dark it is, there must be light at the end of the tunnel. And the implication of this, it has gone a long way in showing that anybody that runs to the judiciary will get justice. And that's why we think under any circumstance will anybody take laws into their hands, knowing fully well that might can never be right. And whatever we do that is within the ambit of the law